Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Nathan Parker for ithappens.co, and in this video I want to show you how to export files from Scrivener and import them into Nota Bene, which is an academic word processor. And here on my screen I have a Scrivener project that I created called My Essays, and I have a couple of essays here in this project. And the cleanest and quickest way of getting all of your content out of Scrivener and into Nota Bene is by using the compile feature. So I'm going to go up here to the file menu, and there is another option to export. Now I have used this when exporting out individual files in Scrivener, but if you want to get everything out of Scrivener at once, then the compile feature is what you're going to want to use. And so here I have the compile sheet has appeared, and it's going to ask me what format do I want to compile it for. So I'm just going to select this menu here, and the option I'm going to choose is the Microsoft Word docx format. That's going to be the cleanest format that's going to be able to be imported into Nota Bene. A lot of these other ones would work too, such as RTF or even a Word doc would work as well. And frankly, even plain text would work if you don't have any formatting going on. But I do have a little bit of formatting in this document. So we're going to choose the Microsoft Word docx format for compiling it. And then it's going to ask you, what do you want to compile? So right now I have everything selected, and that's going to export both of my essays out of Scrivener. It's also going to export out the folders as headings. Now, if you don't want the folders as headings in your export, then you can just decheck the boxes to turn those off. If there are any essays you don't want to export, you can turn those off as well, but I do want both of my essays exported. So I've got both of them selected here, and then I'm going to click on compile. It's going to ask me where do I want to save this file. I've got it just here in my downloads folder, and then I've got it set to the title of my Scrivener project, which is my essays.docx, and then I'm going to click on export, and that's going to compile and export everything out. So I'm going to open up Nota Bene here on my Mac, and Nota Bene 15 is just about to release to the public at the time of this recording, but I am running a last-minute preview build of Nota Bene 15. And one of the great new features in Nota Bene 15 is the improved way it handles docx files for importing and exporting. And so to bring this file into Nota Bene, all I need to do is go up to the File menu in Nota Bene itself and select Open. I'm going to select the My Essays docx file and click on Open. And I was playing with this a little bit earlier, so that's why you're seeing this come up. And I'm just going to click on No because I was playing with this file a little bit before. Most people aren't going to see that message at all, but I was playing around and opening the file and testing it before this video. It's also saying this appears to be a research document and asks me if I want to use a style menu and style manual to format it. I don't for this particular document, so I'm just going to click on No. And you can see here we have the file successfully imported here into Nota Bene, and everything has come through. And then I could always go up to File and select Save As, and then I could turn this whole file into a Nota Bene file with a .nb extension if I want it specifically in Nota Bene format. Of course, with Orbis Plus, you can search not only Nota Bene files, but you can also search your Word.docx files. So it's not required that you do this, it's just your personal preference. Don't forget that my viewers of my YouTube channel can receive 25% off of Nota Bene by going to notabene.com, and when checking out, use the group code NBNP, so NB for Nota Bene and NP for Nathan Parker, and that will allow you to receive 25% off your purchase of Nota Bene. And don't forget, I have additional training videos available at ithappens.co, and I'm always adding new training videos. So for ithappens.co, this is Dr. Nathan Parker, and I'll see you in a future video.